Do you call this Efo RIRO or spinach sauce or vegetable soup? Whatever it is, I got you covered in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Efo RIRO, and this is popularly eaten in the western part of Nigeria. So sit back and enjoy this video. All measurements will be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to start by adding palm oil into the pot and allowing it to heat up for some seconds. The next thing I'll be doing is to add in some chopped onions and allow it to fry for about a minute. This releases some flavor into the soup and contributes to the deliciousness. The next thing I'll be adding is locust beans, and I'm going to allow it to fry for another minute. So I'm going to repeat the same process for crayfish, and this crayfish has already been grinded in a dry blender. The next thing I'll be adding is my blended tomatoes and pepper. At this point, your soup is almost ready. You just need to fry this for a bit. When the water is dried up and it becomes like this, once it changes color to this, you know that it's ready. So it's time to add your meats, season, and add your vegetables. So I'm going to be adding my meat stock from the meat I boiled earlier. And at this point, I added seasoning cube and salt. So I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of dried pepper to give it that extra spice. You can totally skip this if you don't want to. So this is my Efo RIRO. If you're in Nigeria, you could go to the market and ask them for the vegetable for Efo RIRO soup. And this vegetable has already been washed, so I'm just going to chop it. If you're not in Nigeria and you want to make this, you could use spinach. It's a good alternative for this. I'm just trying to make my vegetables tiny and as evenly as I can. If you're using spinach to make this soup, you don't need to pour hot water, just toss it straight into the pot. But if you're using Efo RIRO, it's advisable to pour hot water. It's completely optional, but I prefer doing mine like this because I believe it's sweeter. The Efo Riro soup is ready and it can be eaten with pounded yam or eba. You can also have it with rice, yam or boiled plantain. This soup is diverse and you could have it with almost anything. This soup is delicious and I hope you try it. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!